Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's Photoshop tutorial, I'll be showing you step by step how to retouch a photo like a professional. Whether you're a beginner or already familiar with Photoshop, this video will guide you through the essential techniques you need to transform a raw photo into a polished masterpiece. So, stay with me till the end to learn all the tips and tricks for smooth and natural looking retouching.
Step 1 is to remove blemishes, pimples, or any distractions on the skin. To do that, press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate your background layer. This helps us keep the original photo safe in case we make mistakes. I am going to rename the layer Blemish. Make sure you are on Blemish layer. Now go to Toolbar and select the Spot Healing Brush tool. Press Ctrl or Command Plus to zoom in. Press the close bracket key to increase the brush size. To reduce it, press the open bracket key. Just click over the spots you want to remove and Photoshop blends them naturally. Just keep repeating the process until the blemishes are gone. Select the Move tool once you are done removing the blemish. Then press Ctrl or Command minus to zoom out. Next step is skin smoothing. I am going to apply frequency separation technique. I'll use a non-destructive method that keeps texture intact. First, create 2 copies of the image. On the top layer, we'll keep the details, and on the bottom layer, we'll blur the colors slightly. Together, this keeps the skin looking natural instead of plastic. Select the texture layer, hold Shift key and select blemish layer. Press Ctrl or Command G to group the layers. Open the group layer. Make the texture layer invisible by clicking the eye icon on the layer. Select color layer. Go to filter at menu bar, then scroll down to blur and select Gaussian blur. I will set the radius to 10 pixels. Make the texture layer visible back and select the layer. Go to Image at menu bar, scroll down and select Apply Image. Change the layer from Merged to Color layer. Change the blending from Multiply to Subtract. Set the scale to 2 pixels and offset 128 pixels. Change the blending from normal to linear light. Select Color layer. Go to Toolbar and select Mixer Brush tool. Set it on Clean Brush and check this particular brush. Leave the rest settings the way mine is. Zoom in. Then brush over the skin with the brush tool. Make sure you brush carefully. Zoom out after you are done brushing. You can see the before and after. Select Move tool. Next, let's add some depth using Dodge and Burn. This technique helps highlight certain areas and add shadows where needed. Select the texture layer. Go to Adjustment layer and select Curve. Click and drag the line up. You can see the highlight part of the image. Make sure you select the white box on the layer, then press Ctrl or Command-I to invert. Go to Adjustment layer again and select Curve. This time, drag the line down. You can see how dark the shadow part is. Also select the white box on the layer and press Ctrl-I to invert. I am going to rename the two layers Dodge and Burn. Select the black box on the Dodge layer. Go to Toolbar and select Brush tool. Set the opacity to 5% and the flow 100%. Change the foreground color to white. Make sure you are on Dodge layer. We are brushing only the highlight part. Zoom in. Then brush the highlight part of the image with the brush tool. Press the close bracket key to increase the brush size and the open bracket key to reduce it. You can see the before and after. Select the box on the burn layer, then brush the shadow part of the image. Select Move tool. The next thing we are going to do is to color grade the image. Select the burn layer, press Ctrl or Command-Shift-Alt-E key to merge the layers. I am going to rename the layer Color Grade. Right-click on the layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter at Menu Bar and select Camera Raw Filter. Once you click it, this dialog box will open. In here you can see the different settings. First is to work on the exposure. Open the basic and adjust the different settings. You can play around with it until you get the result you want, or you can just copy my settings. Make sure you follow along so you can get the best result. Click OK once you are satisfied with the result. You can see the before and after. Let us work on the eyes. Go to Adjustment layer and create a new layer on top of the color grade layer. Change the blending to color. Go to Toolbar and select Brush Tool. Set the opacity to 100% and the flow 100%. Open the foreground color and change the color. Zoom in. Then brush the white part of the eyes with the brush tool. Create another layer on top. Also change the blending to color. Open the foreground color and change the color. Then also brush the eyes. Reduce the opacity. Repeat the same process again. Zoom out. You can see the before and after. That is how you retouch a photo in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.